With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Simple pendulum with a metallic bob has a time period of 10 seconds. The bob is now immersed in a non-viscous liquid of density 1/3 that of the metal. The time period of the same pendulum becomes. So we can say here, for a simple pendulum with, let's say here, a bob attached to one end of this, let's say, simple pendulum, we have the time period given by the formula. We can say here, this is length L and the mass of this pendulum is M. So we can say here, the time period of this simple pendulum is given as 2 pi root under, we can say, as L divided by G. Now G here is the G effective. Now in the first case, when this, let's say, is in air, the time period is given to be 10 seconds. So we can say here, time period is inversely proportional to our G effective. Hence we have here T1 by T2 as, let's say, square root of, this can be given as G2 divided by G1. Hence we have here T2 as, let's say, T1 into square root of, we have here as G1 divided by, we can say, as G2. So this comes out to be initial time period given in the question is 10 seconds. So T1 here is our 10 second. We can say initially in the air G, let's say, was simply 10 meter per second square. Hence we can say as G, and when immersed in a non-viscous liquid of density 1/3 of that of metal. So in a liquid, we can say here of density 1/3 of metal, we have the forces acting on this bob of the simple pendulum as mg, weight will be acting downward, and buoyancy or upthrust will be acting upward. So we can say here weight acting downward, which is equal to mg, and we can say here buoyancy force acting upward, which here is equal to, we can say, as, let's say, mass of displaced liquid into G. So the apparent weight here can be written as W dash is equal to, we can say here, weight minus buoyancy force. So this can be written as M into G2, G effective, is equal to our mg minus mass of displaced liquid into G. Now the question says the density of, let's say, the liquid is 1/3 of that of metal. So we can say here, if density of the metal is rho into here volume is V into G, then density of the liquid is 1/3 of that of liquid. So rho by 3 into this here is V into G, and this here is our, let's say, rho into, we can say, as V into here G2. We need to find the value of G2. Now we can see here rho V cancels out. So we have value of G2 given here as G minus, we can say, as G divided by 3. So this comes to be our, let's say, 2G by 3. So we have here this as 2G divided by, we can say, as 3. So G and G cancels out. Hence T2 comes to be 10 under root of, we have here as 3 by 2 second, which here is option number 3. Hence we can say here 10 root 3 by 2 second is the corresponding time period in the liquid. So option 3 is our answer.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.